Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change device name on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, changing the device name allows you to give your device a unique and easily recognizable name that reflects your personality or the purpose of the device. And also, a custom device name can help you easily identify your device when connecting to Bluetooth accessories, Wi-Fi, or other devices on a network. So, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open Settings menu. So now select my phone option, and then you can tap on device name here. Okay, after that, change it according to your preferences and needs. Okay, so now your device name is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change device name on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.